Got a question asking about who pays for the 3-day notice for non-payment of rent or other 3-day notices under the Code of Civil Procedure. Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm the Landlord Warrior on TikTok and YouTube. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. Now, there was some recent legislation passed last year that prohibits landlords from charging fees for issuing or serving a 3-day notice to pay rent or other notices under Code of Civil Procedure Section 1161 in its entirety. So your 3-day notice is to perform, 3 days to quit, that type of deal. Okay, so landlords can't charge tenants fees for serving those notices anymore, and also notices under Civil Code Section 1946 to terminate like a 30, 60 day termination notice of a month or other periodic tenancy. So landlords have to pay those fees, but guess what? Who pays ultimately? Most time renters are, with higher rents and that type of deal. So ultimately, the landlord will pay for the notice. They can't charge fees for serving those notices and that type of deal. But when you rent property, it's rentals or businesses. So indirectly, yeah, tenants are going to be paying for that stuff. But hopefully that answers that question. Landlords, if you're facing a situation where you have a problematic tenant situation, you might need to issue 3-day notice, and you don't know what your rights are, or all the requirements that the law puts on you. You're in the Northern California area, feel free to reach out. We might be able to help out. Put your comments, questions down below. I'll answer them to the best of my ability. Until next time, folks, I'll talk to you then. Thanks.